Hi, I'm LOSERFRUIT. I'm at PAX and I'm with the brand new ROG Xbox Ally X. Let's see what the gamers around here think about this new device. We have Captain America. What do you think of this device?
Console player myself, so like this will be actually pretty good for me.
Yeah,
If I
in a
might get,
console.
yeah,
Oh.
yeah, I know, that'd be pretty good. Well, it's not too heavy, so
Yeah.
pretty good. Oh wow, it's so good. Oh wow.
There?
Oh hi.
You like a massage?
Yeah. Well, it's pretty smooth. It's pretty light. Definitely exciting to play with it.
Played with it for a bit. What do you think?
I think that it runs very smoothly and the screen is very nice as well. I love the handhelds here so I can hold it nicely.
Just that the picture is really, really clear and there's no stuttering or anything.
What was the first thing you noticed when you picked up the device?
I thought it was going to be a lot heavier when I first picked it up, so yeah, it's interesting.
Light. You hear that light? That's what the people think. I love it, but what do you think? Hashtag play Ally your game.